Pretty, vibrant, chirping, awe-inspiring world of birds. Feather, wings, beaks, laying eggs. Yes, you are spot on. Hearing these adjectives, suddenly our favorite birds land into our imagination. A field day is all the more beautiful if we get to bird watching. Do birds fall in love? Yes, they do. Humans aren't the only species that fall in love. In fact, up to 70% of birds pair for life. Okay, so why birds are important to us? When birds migrate, they take the seeds they have eaten with them and scatter them through their droppings. Are birds clever? Birds displays a wide range of smart behavior, including good recollection, past experiences. Some of the examples of bird intelligence include returning to the same nest for many years, their playfulness, showing emotions through wooing, caring for nestling, etc. Now let's discuss some famous bird types. Pigeon, oblique dove. The pigeon is symbol of peace and harmony. In my blog, I have discussed the difference between pigeon and dove, some fun facts about them. Then parrots, with their acrobatic antics, captivating colors, and often silly personalities, parrots are hard to resist. Then there are again facts about them. Birds of paradise. They go from expected to extraordinary in a blink of an eye. They transform themselves into something which you have never seen before. They swagger, serene, dance and display. They are unlike any creature in the world and one of the most astounding phenomena the world has ever witnessed. Some of the facts about them, like they are sexually dimorphic and etc. Roadrunner. The famous cartoon character, right? It's a long-legged bird in the cuckoo family. Again, there are some fun facts about them. Hummingbird. Human beings have been hypnotized by the tinnies of the birds. The little creature have a cult following, with many people placing feeders with bright red nectar in their gardens to catch a glimpse of them whizzing by. Some facts are like they lay the smallest of eggs in the bird kingdom, and they are always on the move. They have to eat every 10 to 15 minutes to survive. Peacocks. They are symbol of grace, joy, beauty and love. They are one of the most widely recognized bird in the world. Then there are some interesting facts about them in my blog. Albatross. It is one of the most endangered and iconic group of birds. Then there are special mentions of Shenzhou. He was an illustrator of Ming Dynasty era. He is the earliest and most prominent to paint birds and first to regularly inscribe them with a self-composed poem. Then I have mentioned Ustad Mansoor. He was Mughal painter, and you'll read more info about him in my blog. Kusumi Murikage, again a 16th century painter. He was a painter in Edo period in Japan. Jacob Budkani, a British painter. He was known to paint exotic birds. Then there's James Audubon. He was very famous for his birds painting. So check it all out in my blog. Thank you.